house. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Give thanks to Firehouse crew, Canon, the whole family. It's been a long time. Franco, Sizzla Kalonji, I love you, my brother. I couldn't be nowhere else tonight but here. And I'm in Jamaica, and tomorrow Garnet Silk is getting OD. Okay? This is Shiloh, and we're not come to play with things. Haile Selassie is the Almighty without apology. Mama Lou, I love you. The whole judgment yard. Sizzla Kalonji, the catalog, the lion log deep, my brother. Firehouse, a whirlwind, you know. Ethiopia race. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What we tell them, say now, listen now. Okay, whirlwind, keep the fire burning. We keep on a run and a ball. Yo, whirlwind, keep the fire burning. Blow when the wicked like champion. Whirlwind, keep the fire burning. Wicked man a run and a ball. Yo, whirlwind, keep the fire burning. So that sees a ride and I know. No for them not really up front. No for them a backstabbers. Can't tell me no criminal. Much less no robbers. Think them about to run me, but them all call them a slackers. All of them come as a hackers. No for them, now one of them me say them and I want to Sabbath. Pure vanity, them come and grab it. Stand up with the sun, make it money till they black up. Kalonji, or me to the Maca. And all the people say, well, we keep the fire burning. We keep on a run and a ball. Yeah, well, we keep the fire burning. Selassie is a rather nice stuff. Hey, hey, well, we keep the fire burning. Blow where the wicked like shine. Well, we keep the fire burning. Hey, okay. Them not really up front. All of them are backstabbers. Can't show me they're criminal. Much less no robbers. Think to them culture around me, but them all call them a slackers. All of them come as a hackers. Them now want to mess me, say them now want to Sabbath. Pure vanity, them come and grab it. Stand up with the stone, make it money till they blocker. Shiloh, gonna hit the critical markers. Once again, well, we keep the fire burning. I'm gonna hear you say, come on, my people, come on. Say, whirlwind, fire burning. I can't hear you, come on, lift your voice. Yeah, whirlwind, blow when the wicked like champion. Whirlwind, keep the fire burning. Hey, hey. Read and prophecy, biblically Rastafari's God Almighty. For your word, we burn them hypocrisy. I have been become and burn them democracy. Oh yeah, devices and only Irish, yeah. Everyone in the fire will light it, yeah. Pick up yourself, Kalonji. Firehouse crew to the world. Okay, say world will keep the fire burning. We know when the wicked like. Okay, world will keep the fire burning. Hey, hey, hey. How you feeling? I want everyone to lift their beautiful voice and say, Irene! How you feeling? Firehouse, more music when I come for talk. My vibe this. Shiloh love you so. Big up Sizzla Kalonji. On to Zion we go. If you know this, I want you to help me sing. Come on. And I can move slow, no. That's the 4-5 cruising range, and we're coming together. I love you. On to Zion we go. Long live Peter Morgan. My body nice and gone and empty think we done. Need to touch rise and on and them think we done. Take a little rise and on them think we done. On it silky rise and on, but look out, rush and up. And then the rise to is up, Lucy. And then the rise to him, Sizzla Kalonji. And then the rise to is up, rising. Rastafari royal children, up, money children. And then he rise to their up, Lucy. And then he rise to his up, Templeton. And then he rise to his up, Rastafari royal children come. Liberation, oh. Lift your voices, Israel. Rastafari, boy, liberation, oh. Yeah, man, give thanks for life. Because you see around here, we taking too much lives. The youths, them killing each other. Look around, look what's going on, my people. We need to unite, love each other, look out for each other. Because we all we have. Remember that. Test this side. Who can help me sing? Come on, are you ready? Are you? What? Well, the song I'm gonna ready for the studio. Let me hear that side there. Go on, test that side there. Are you ready? Are you? Wipe those tears from your I'm all alone, still you know I was telling alive. Are you? Me hear this about me, hear ya, sir. Want to know the song? Yo, listen on now. Girl, you know I love you so. I can't hurt you, no, What you do, what I say, I won't desert you nowhere. You will understand that it's just yeah. Are you? Wipe the tears from your eyes. I'm all alone, sleep you on. I was inside, sound the best. Are you? No one with me tonight. I will have done it, sir. Listen, music is the rod and we are Moses, hey, leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother, yeah, preaching and comforting at the fathers. If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the fathers, what they want us to do, though they know this is nothing new. Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, you should be thankful. The likes of both policy. I love you, my people. Take it away from your house. They celebrate now, yeah. They celebrate now. Winning without fighting is best. Lovers of war will perish. Jamaica, leadership don't mean domination. Love don't mean retaliation. If we don't stop these wars, who's gonna be here for? The people break, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. I love you, my people. Thank you. My band, Firehouse. Lovely idea.
Shiloh.